Is your Bluetooth not working on your Apple Watch? It usually happens due to connection glitches, outdated software, or settings issues. In this video, I'll show you how to solve Bluetooth not working on your Apple Watch. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Solution 1. Restart Bluetooth. Open up the Settings app on your Apple Watch. Then scroll down a little bit. After that, tap Bluetooth. Make sure to enable the Bluetooth. If you enabled it before, then disable it and then wait for 3 to 5 seconds and then enable it again. Now try to reconnect your Bluetooth network. Solution 2. Restart Apple Watch and iPhone. Press and hold the side button for 3 to 5 seconds. Power off slide will appear. Next, tap on the power icon from the top right corner. Slide the power icon from left to right. Now again, press and hold on the side button for 3 to 5 seconds. The Apple logo will appear, and also restart your iPhone. Solution 3. Check your software updates. Open the watch home screen. Tap on the Settings app. Now scroll down and tap General. Tap Software Updates. If there is a new software update available, then download and install the updates. After updating, your Apple Watch Bluetooth problem will be solved. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then drop a like, and if you have any kind of questions, then please write them down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.